In this video, we'll be showing you ways to decrease or fix lag in Brawl Stars. So first, you'll have to hold down the app to go to its app info. Press that button to immediately go to the Brawl Stars settings, the app I mean. And you have to make sure the pause app activity if unused switch button is off. That's one way already to maybe at least fix your lag a little bit. And the next way is to check the connection methods to see if all Wi-Fi and SIMs are enabled. So make sure that's done. And once that is, we can go ahead and check our background settings and make sure it's on no restrictions. And then another way to do a fix on your lag is to clear cache basically. Maybe you've been playing the game for quite some time and a bit of cache has been piled up, so clearing cache should be a way to fix your lag. So that's all. Thank you.